This even though vitu umeiba kwa Priscilla. You take
when she leave me hungry.
To day one of prepping for the JP 2025 finale, the most iconic wedding of the year, you know. And this is Fatma, lead organizer, producer, event planner, everything. Fatma all in one. Now we're doing the setup.
And yes, you heard him right. They are prepping for the whole event, and then they started with the venue. You can see how huge the venue is. That's a massive capacity, and maybe they're expecting a lot of people in that hall. It's going to be one of the best weddings so far this year, just like they said, because I mean they've given us back to back, starting from the trad down to the one that was done in Nigeria, and here again in Tanzania, which is the finale of the JP 2025 Tanzania edition. Guys, it's going to be amazing. You can see how far they've been going. Kudos to a friend like Enioloa, who is always keeping us up on what is happening in Tanzania so far. And then from the look of things, I think Juma Jog's sister is one of the event planners, and of course they would like to deliver because we rep them well in Nigeria. And then we did a lot of the Nigerian edition is really lit. It was one in town. People were just streaming. It was just like that day was just for Priscilla and Juma Jokes. And their music, the guy's music trend. It trended so much that even the guy I think he won an award in that season because Nigerians really supported his music from that wedding. So far so good. They've been doing well. And then of course Priscilla's mom is there. All of them came to that hall, to inspect the hall and maybe add one or two things on the way they want their stuff to be. Please, my loves, kindly ignore my children's voice. Today's Children's Day. Of course, they had to be with me at home. So back to my conversation with you guys, and this was how they are planning the whole thing. And of course, Juma Jokes and Priscilla, if I'm calling the name correct, they came to also inspect the hall and see how it's going so far. If Priscilla's husband had his way, he would have done this wedding country by country, of course. And then the queen mother, Priscilla Joe's mom, who is also in the hall. It's more like the family were just in the hall, probably to take positions and then to, do the needful, to check in if this place is okay or if it's not, where is this supposed to be, the normal way of planning it. So everybody was there to just make their own opinion and see how it is. But looking at the hall, you see that it's very massive, and then maybe they are expecting a lot of guests because of course some people will come for the influence of the bride's family and then the influence of the groom's family, and of course being that Juma is a Tanzanian, he will also want to make it loud, and then the Tanzanians will want to rep very well because they've seen how Nigerians has showed why they are called Nigerians in the Nigerian edition. So guys, I would love you to also stick in this channel because I just want to be keeping you guys abreast, so that I don't be left out in this preparation. So guys, stay tuned and watch.